Hey guys. Yes, my dorm room is a mess. Today I thought I'd just upload something to my channel. And what better topic than going over my toolbox and whatever's in this case. You'll find out about that later. First, let's start with the toolbox, shall we? It's so beautiful! Okay. This is it's my must-have as a bass player. Why did I just say I'm a bass player? Because I got recruited as a bass player in a band. Yippee! On top of that, I can scream. So let's go over whatever's in here. Headphones. Allen wrenches. Must have Allen wrenches. Anything could go wrong. Tin. Let's see if I can get the damn thing open. Ugh. Picks. Yeah, I play bass with a pick. I'm a metal bassist. What else do you expect? More picks. 9-volt battery. Not sure exactly why I have this because my bass is a passive bass. Absolutely no active electronics. I hate active electronics. Earplugs. A shit ton of writing utensils, pencils, Sharpie, you name it. Spare cables. Always need spare cables. Tuner. This thing is a lifesaver. What else is in here? This is the power supply for the shitty tiny amp I'm using. The amp really is a piece of shit. Not as bad as a Line 6 Spider, but it's still a piece of shit. Phone power brick thingy with 2016 on it. Yay. Duct tape. Always have duct tape. This is gonna make the drummer love me. Not one pair of sticks, but 2 pairs of sticks. Instrument care kit. Another spare cable. Live wire cable. String winder. Must have a string winder. And trusty super slinky bass strings. Gotta love those. I also have a spare strap in here, but it's not just any old bass strap. It's actually a camera bag strap, or whatever strap has those little metal clip thingies on them. Now let's open the case. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of Davison guitars. Love Davison. Yeah, I was renting some textbooks for college, in case you were wondering. Passive bass, completely passive, love it. I have eye screws for my strap buttons. It's got 22 frets and a rather dirty maple fretboard. And that's all from my hands. I have it in drop D right now. Ooh, that low string. It is a transparent blue finish, high gloss. I'm not sure you can see under this light, but the wood grain actually shows through, and it's really beautiful. And it just sounds absolutely phenomenal for a really cheap base. It's actually a lot better than I was expecting. Not using any specific strings. I want to say 2 of them are Ernie balls, maybe 3 and one's a Diodario. This is my strap. I have a spare in my toolbox. Why do I use eye screws? Because I've had a problem with the strap pins. They just come unscrewed, and I didn't bother gluing them back in, so I just fucking ripped those out and replaced them with eye screws, and those are never coming out unless I want them to come out. Broken headphones to use as spare earplugs. More picks. Another pencil. I don't know why I have these Fender strap blocks. I don't even use them. Old truss rod cover from one of my other bases that's at my house. Another cable. Yet another cable. A couple of spare strings back here. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you ever see a guy who looks kind of like this, if you can see my face, if you ever see a guy who looks like, well, what I just showed you, and is playing a Davison bass guitar, that is probably me. And yeah, remember to like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. I so don't care about the dislikes. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. And yeah, that's basically it. So stay metal. Bye-bye.